Hi, I'm John Ray Dayuday. I'm here to tackle about awareness of using illegal drugs. What is drugs? Drugs, medicine or other substance which has psychological effect when ingested or otherwise introduced into the body. A new drug aim suffers from Parkinson's disease. Administers or drug to someone in order to induce booster and instability. Why do people take drugs? People take drugs because they want to change something about their lives. Here are here are some reasons young people have given for taking drugs: to fit in, to escape or relax, to relieve boredom, to rebel, to experiment. They think drugs are solution, but eventually drugs becomes the problem. How do drugs works? Drugs are essentially poisons. The amount taken determines the effect. A small amount acts of simultaneous speed up. A depressant. A depressant or central depressant is a drug that lowers neurotransmission level, which is to depress and reduce arousal or stimulation in various areas of the brain. Are also colloquially referred to donors as they lower the level of arousal when taken, like like heroin, alcohol, and analgesics. Stimulant. Stimulant also often referred to as as uppers is an overarching term that covers many drugs including those that increase activity of the nervous system and the body. Drugs that pleasurable and invigorating drugs that have sympathetic effects like stimulant drugs is like nicotine and caffeine. Hallucinogens are a diverse group of drugs that alter a person's awareness of their surroundings as well their own thoughts and feelings. They are commonly split into two categories: classic hallucinogens such as LSD and dissociative drugs such as PCD. Marijuana and weed is also known as cannabis. Among others name is psychoactive drugs from the cannabis plant native to Central and South Asia. The cannabis plant has been used as drugs to both recreational and entheogenic purposes and is various traditional medicine for centuries. How drugs are administered. Drugs are usually injected into the muscle of the upper arm tight of buttock. How quickly the drug is absorbed into bloodstream depends in part 1. The blood supply to the muscle. The sparser the blood supply, the longer it takes for the drugs to be absorbed. Brain of drug abuser. What happens in the brain of an addict? In a person who becomes addict, brain receptors become overwhelmed. The brain responds by producing less dopamine or eliminating dopamine receptors, an adaptation similar to turning the volume down on a speaker when noise becomes too loud.